What's up, guys? It's Jezreel, and thanks for watching Fox and Hunt. Today we have a very special flashback video going back to 2016. It's my very first deer hunt. I'll be here afterwards to discuss it, talk about it a little bit with you guys. Until then, enjoy.
Do we need our hunter license number and all that?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
A lot of people here. That's a lot of people somewhere.
So we out here. It's the boy Brandon. Just set up his tree stand up here. Got some nice space over here to look over. I'm back up the hill a bit. One of those pines. We're about, what'd you say, 20 minutes from sunrise? Or official sunrise? Here at Oakey Woods, WMA, Kathleen, Georgia. You ready, man?
Am I ready? Of course. With my boy Jezreel.
Hopefully we don't see the bear and his cub. Guy earlier said that he saw, yesterday when he was setting up, he saw a baby cub and mama following right behind. This is a nice spot, man. I wish there was a tree over there, man. Like, that would be nice. Like, over there on the other side of this. Can you see over here?
Where? Yeah.
Oh, you think you'll be able to shoot through those trees or something? There's trees in the way. Yeah. It would have been nice if there was a tree, like, man. Bunch of baby trees over there, though. I've been up in the tree for about 20 minutes. Haven't seen anything yet. A couple of birds. I did hear a couple of things rustling, but nothing yet. Seems like a good area. Nice brush. Not sure how easy the shot will be, but we'll see. My boy Brandon, he's behind me over here. No. Down the hill. Climbing this morning wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy, actually. Carrying this thing out, we walked about a mile from the car, or half a mile. Oh, gunshots. Somebody got something.
I just got out of the tree stand. My boy Jezreel just shot something. Let's walk up, see what he got. Look at the boy out there cheesing. Jazz, you hit something?
As soon as I get out this tree, man.
Buck?
I got him. Yep.
Jump out of that tree, man. We're at a special spot, a little secret location. Them boys happy. First time out here. First time hunting for deer. I got one my first time. I got a 13 point. And let's see. Wait for him. Get situated, see what he got. Come on, big homie. Jazz, where was he at?
Came from this way. I thought he was another bobcat.
A
You got my text?
bobcat?
Yeah. You didn't get my last text?
Nah.
Yeah, I saw a little bobcat came right down the road. Yep, bobcat came right down here and then ran off over there. And I saw him. I was just looking through I saw somebody just put up a blind over here. And I was like looking, I was like, is there somebody in a blind? Or whatever? But it wasn't, so I was just looking around. And I saw something like just run across. And I thought, is that another
It was running?
Huh?
It was running?
Yeah, it was like trotting. It was like trotting.
Yeah.
Or whatever. And
Stick out your hand. Let's see if you got that fever. You good. Got a Remington 700. Pose for the camera. With your triple XL.
4X.
Let's be a little hush hush. Man, you shot early, man. Oh, hey, you got the junk right here.
Like he ran right here. Like he came from over there when I saw him, and I had to wait for it to get in like the clear. He ran up right here. Dropped him.
Got himself a buck.
It's a little buck, but
Hold on.
how many points that is? 4 on this side.
Now go check out the antlers. Come on. I'm recording you. I got you.
Should be down. Yeah. Eight.
8 point.
Look at that shot. He went straight down.
Yeah, look how close you were. He was right there. You better go
Which
down.
was that?
He
That
was
right there. Which one? This one or that
Right
one?
here. Far-
This one?
Right here.
Oh, this one.
Not that one.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
Alright.
So
Boy got
it's
himself
like
a buck.
20 yards.
Yeah. Go ahead and smile.
We rolling up in here. We tried to pull the deer to the truck, but yeah, that feet was too much. So I'm just gonna go in here and run up in here real quick, grab it. It should be right up there, I think. Eight-point buck, about 20 yards.
tree stand after we took the deer to get weighed at the check-in station, and to the processing plant. While I was up here, I just wanted to go ahead and run you. I'm a little excited, so I'm gonna try to, stay calm, because we were trying to get things back calm. So hopefully we can get 1 or 2 more out of this spot. But I just wanted to run you guys through just what I saw real quick. So what actually happened was I was looking through my binoculars over, I believe over here somewhere, because it looked like someone was in a blind over here. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't a blind just in case. And while I was looking through it, I saw something run across. Now earlier, it was like a gray, and I wasn't sure how close to the ground I was looking, but earlier I saw a little bobcat, and I thought it might have been, a bigger bobcat or something like that. So I ended up zooming out and following it, and once I put the I can't say the word, binoculars down, I saw that, it was a buck. It happened to be an 8-point, and like through all of this, I followed it, through these trees right here, and I couldn't really get a clean shot. Like this was a clean shot, but it was trotting through, so I figured I'd wait. So it ran here, it ran behind this red tree here, and I just waited for it to get in here, and that's where I took my shot, like right there on the other side of this red tree. It's probably like 20 yards away from me, and it went down just like that. It was exciting. Like I wanted to just hurry up and get out of the tree stand, But we've been in this spot, and we went back up when we were taking the deer back up this path here. We saw that there are a lot of deer prints up there, so I think there's a tree at the front of this path. I'll probably try tomorrow morning. If Brandon's boy friends is supposed to be coming tonight or in the morning, so if he wants to hunt up there, then he may, but I'm gonna try and get a spot up there. It seems like a lot of activity. Hey, we out here making it happen. We can't have campfires. It's okay though. Got the baked beans. That sirloin over there. Wondering what that is, them seasoned turnip greens right there. Yeah, I know. And this is dinner. Wait till y'all see breakfast. Yeah, though, it's time, okay? Hey, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's how you get that nice, that nice medium well.
How do you like yours?
Medium well. What you do, well done?
Nah, I do like medium rare.
Hold on, wait, medium well. Yeah, medium rare. Or medium. My bad, medium. Yeah.
If it sounds like that, you go. I didn't think it was that hot.
That's crazy.
Let it sit for about a little bit. I can't find that spoon that my daughter gave me. Where that fork at? How many fork at?
Nice stir real quick, Just gotta taste it. Ain't too bad. Still cold a little bit, but put that a little closer.
This should be good right here, buddy. That should be it right there. paper plates on. It's so hot. You gonna play it by?
It's me right there. Widow. Just gotta wait for them greens to finish. I told you snore. So I'm back, day 2. So far, this morning, we were able to get two deers. My boy Brandon and Chase. Chase got a 9-pointer, 138 pounds, I believe. That's field gutted and everything. Nice deer. Brandon got a little spike. Where right now we're set up in a new spot, like around the area where we saw the does. There were like 4 does that those 2 deers were chasing. So we've set up in that general area. Yeah. I'm really, like, so far I haven't really had to do a lot of like moving the tree stand from place to place, but from my last location to this one was a little trek, and I really see the benefit of having a aluminum tree stand. It really is a workout. We'll probably be here until like 5:36 whenever the sun sets. I'll probably start packing up early. Since my tree stand is extra. But yeah, hopefully I can get one more before we leave. You know, all 3 of us have one apiece, so I mean, we'll see.
So what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely did. It's crazy that like back then I didn't really have like some of my recording equipment. Even now, all I have is a GoPro. Back then it was just cell phone videos, and it was looked excellent. I wasn't able to capture the kill on that buck that I got there, but just watching the videos, and it had been a while since I actually watched the videos before I started editing this earlier this week. But man, it just brought all of this back. You know, that excitement. Like I felt like I got the chills. Like just after I've seen myself just talking about just what had happened. Like when I saw the deer, like the process of, you know, like just trailing it in my optics through the grass there, from even pulling it out and of the weeds there. Like it was just awesome. Like I really do enjoy these type of hunts. Yes, it was awesome that I was able to I don't know, like get a buck, get a deer in general. But I also just enjoy those type of hunts because we camped overnight. We spent 2 nights out there. It was crazy because it was super cold during that time. It was easily 30 and 30, maybe below 30s, and it was a drought in Georgia at the time. So we couldn't. We had a truck bed full of firewood, and we couldn't burn any of it because of the drought, forest fire warnings. So as you saw, we went out and got a little propane kind of gas grill thing, and we made it happen. But yeah, just hanging out around the campfire to just experiencing. All 3 of us got deers that day. I didn't have any videos of Chase, but you can see him in pictures that I'm putting up. But yeah, like all 3 of us got deer, and you know, it was an experience. It was that rarely happens. That really happens, and that being my first deer hunt, and you know, talking to some old timers, they're telling me it's like you guys are lucky, like really lucky, and maybe it's beginner's luck because like Brandon, him and Chase went there, maybe a month and a half prior to that same area and hunted that same area, and Brandon, he got a 13 point, I think it was 160 pounds. The wardens say that was the biggest deer, one of the biggest deers they've ever pulled out of there. Once in a lifetime type of deer. So yeah, and for him to get two on the two occasions that he's been there within 2 months, like it's crazy. But yeah, like we enjoyed it. I feel like another thing that I got a laugh from was just some of the stuff I was wearing. I had that I think actually it was a 5X, the Hunter Orange Vest. It's like a 5X, and I feel like I just grabbed one, and I thought they were one size fit all. I guess I was wrong on that, and I was like, whatever, I have it, I'm not gonna go and change it, I don't feel like it. So I mean, it worked. I've kind of, you know, upgraded a little. Actually, I have mine like right here behind me, but yeah, it's I got a laugh from that, but it was a good time. But please, if you guys like this video, please like, please subscribe, register for alerts with the bell, you know, all that good stuff. But in the comments, let me know what you think. Yeah, I hope that you guys were able to see, you know, my excitement in this video. It literally brought chills back to me as I watched it, and you know, it's awesome that you know, like I was able to document at least some of it. I know now I document tons of my outings when I go out, but like I'm grateful that I was able to document these experiences because it may be entertaining to you guys, it may not, but I know for me this is just saving just experiences that I have where I can go back and I can really see like just the things that I enjoy, and hopefully I never stop chasing after those things. Hopefully a 9 to 5 or any kind of work doesn't come in my way of just enjoying these things. But you know, I thank God. I thank God for the opportunity. I thank my wife for the support. I thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Comment with your feedback. Just hopefully this inspires you as much as it inspires me to just keep going, keep after it. And I leave you with this: get to work.